Hello friends! Today we have the event Seas of Prey Arena. As you can see, the more points you collect, the more prizes you can get, as well as keys to activate the Wheel of Fortune and try your luck. We have a battleship in this event with an 85% discount after you finish and collect all points. Also, when you collect all the points, we have a free Indonesian air defense and a French air defense. Let's see the details while watching. Enjoy! We have a cruiser in the Wheel of Fortune. And a variable enclosed air defense system. First, we have the Russian cruiser RF Kronstadt, or what is called the Russian Arsenal. There are many comments on this battleship, but from my point of view, despite its lack of anti-submarine systems or torpedoes, it remains one of the strongest battleships in the game if his weapons are not reduced later. We will also try the French air defense during this presentation, which I believe is one of the strongest defenses that have been added, which is Roland too. The battleship is characterized by a very powerful cannon with a medium reload. It also has for variable missile launch, cells depending on what you need to carry out attacks. We also have the new Russian Orishnik. Missiles with 4 locked releases cannot be changed. We also have the old Russian cruiser Vladivostok, which has for enclosed main guns with 4 enclosed missiles, also closed air defense and variable air defenses, secondary guns, anti-aircraft guns, variable torpedoes. The cruiser is excellent as a maneuver. It is an air defense and somewhat integrated in terms of offensive weapons, but as a penetrating force, I do not recommend it. It will be destroyed quickly and must be controlled carefully.
Battle stations. Clearers are ready to open fire. Missile silos are ready for launch. Go ahead. Air target on the radar. Approaching at moderate speed. Starboard turn. All engines, full stop. Take course 160, full speed ahead. Battle station gun engine. Check gun standby. Survivability of the ship. Helicopter is ready for recon, waiting for combat mission. No targets on the radar, mission successful.
We also have a secondary Wheel of Fortune aircraft, which is a strike fighter, the Su-9SM. The fighter is somewhat good, but its drawback is that it hits a lot to achieve a lot of integration. It is slow and its maneuverability is heavy.